Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable power off verification in order to increase your device's security on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. First, let's go to the Settings application, and then let's open Security and Privacy section here. Navigate all the way down to More Security and Privacy menu, and in this menu, select Power Off Verify in Security section. If you enable this feature, you're gonna have to enter your lock screen password each time you want to power off your device, and therefore, if someone steals your device, they will not be able to power off your device unless they know your device's password, which increases your chances of device recovery, since the phone remains active all the time, and in active state, the GPS trackers also are more precise, and therefore you'll be able to track the location of your device much easier, unless, of course, the thief will right away disassemble your device and remove the GPS tracker from it. But generally speaking, in most cases, it will actually increase your device's security. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.